Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we have a very special unboxing. It is my very first BoxyLuxe, and it's for the month of December 2018. I've been a long time BoxyCharm subscriber. I've only ever gotten one other like special box from them, and it was like their very first limited edition box. I think it came out like a year and a half, 2 years ago, and that video was actually my highest viewed video to date. Pretty much because I hated everything in that box. But if you're here to see a honest first impression of what is in this box, then you've come to the right place. This box is $30 more than the regular box, so if you're on the waiting list for the next BoxyLuxe, you will be charged for your regular box, which is $21, and charged an extra $30 for the big size. I don't know the actual value of what's supposed to be in this box, but I'll list everything when I edit the video. So this box is absolutely bigger than the normal one. I would say it's the size of a mid-calf boot shoe box. This is weird. Oh, okay. The theme is, it's the season, which I thought it was a summer box because of the whole sea flamingo thing, but it has a Santa hat on, so, you know. The first thing I see is, it looks like a makeup bag, but it feels like there's something in it. It says, Glam AF. Oh, it's a nice made bag. And inside is this a wireless charger? So it looks like a wireless charger. This is a dual Android iPhone charger. That's weird, but kind of cool. I feel like this is something you would get in a FabFitFun box. All right, so this bag is from Crimes of Beauty. It's a wristlet, and it comes with a portable charger, which is what that is. These two things, their retail is $22. I won't use this as a wristlet because I'm not a wristlet wearing girl, but I'll definitely use the charger and I'll use it for a makeup bag. The next thing in here is, oh, it's a matte powder from Pretty Vulgar. This retails for $32. Is this what smells? Oh, it comes with a little cute little puff. I don't love matte powders, but I'll definitely give it a try because, you know, it may not be scarily matte. So we'll just wait and see. The next thing is from Suva Beauty, and this is the Protege eyeshadow palette. And this retails for $34. Oh, that's nice. So you have kind of a cool highlight here, a warm neutral one over here, and then some eyeshadows. There's 4 matte and 2 metallic. It's a nice palette. I don't think I've ever tried, no, I think I tried like a single shadow from Suva Beauty. The next thing in here is the Violet Voss Holy Grail palette. I have this palette already and I do really like it, so I will save this for a giveaway, but this retails for $45. And if you don't know what this looks like, I'll show you mine. This is what's inside that palette. Very, very pretty, totally warm, very fun. That's cool, we got 2 nice palettes in here, so that's already kicking ass from the limited edition one I got before, because the next thing I have is the Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint in Instafamous, and this retails for $20. That's very pretty, but I will never wear that. So again, I will save this for a giveaway. All right, we have a Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula, and this retails for $25. Okay, so it is actually just a black mascara. It's got a nice kind of natural bristle brush. All right, the next thing in here is, okay. This is the Spongel Blossom Bliss. I think this is what smells so good. Body Wash Infused Buffer. So it's like a body scrub sponge thing, and it has soap kind of built into it. This retails for $20. P.S. You can get stuff like this at like Marshall's for like $5. But this smells really good, so I will use it just for that purpose. All right, the next in here I'm actually pretty excited about. This is the Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Elemis is a very expensive brand. This retails for $89. And this is good for like the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. You get 1 fluid ounce, and it is full size, so. All right, and the last thing in here is, this is the Luxe Rose Gold Complete Face Brush Kit. This retails for $65, and it includes 8 brushes. I don't know if I want to open this. I have so many brushes I don't know what to do with myself, so I think I might save this for a giveaway as well. So out of everything, 3 things I won't use, the rest of it I will. I want to decide if this box is worth the price or not. For me. I'm not saying not to get it, but for me, is it worth the price? I mean, really, for this alone, yes. And I am excited about the Suva Beauty, but I mean, it's not the most exciting palette, but I feel like everything has been done as far as eyeshadow palettes go, so it's like, it's fine. That's totally cool the Violet Voss was in here because that's a really nice palette. Everything in here was nice. I don't think there's anything in here that I was like, this is total like bullshit. So, okay, I'm gonna give it to BoxyLuxe. They did pretty good with this. And you know what? That's pretty cool. They gave you a charger and stuff. All right, so that was it. What did you guys think? Did you guys think this box was worth it? Was there anything in here that you thought was kind of like, eh? Was there anything in here that you were like, whoa, I can't believe it? Amazing. Let me know in the comments below, and please stay tuned for more. If you want to see that horrifying first unboxing that I did for the last limited edition BoxyCharm, I will list it in the box below. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.